Shark Squad, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button and comment below. Ask any question. I respond to all comments below in the comment section, right? So, further ado, we're talking about support and resistance for beginners here today. For my beginner guys, it's really simple. I have Smart Trader charts pulled up here by MTI for free, right? Also, there's TradingView. You can go to tradingview.com and get free charts over there, right? You're gonna get ads and stuff on there, but for beginners now starting out, now starting to read the charts and learn the markets, TradingView is good as well. I like Smart Trader just for the charts. All right, I execute all my trades within MT4, right? But I come here to do some analysis. Nice charts. But you are limited with the Smart Trader because they only have certain brokers they could connect to. So I don't use this for execution, right? So let's get into it without further ado. What you want to do is get like a horizontal line, right? And you want to mark off. This is a daily chart. You want to mark off exactly where the market turns and where there's a reaction. So right around this level here, you can put like two horizontal lines. Put another one right here, right? So you know this area is a significant level now because we got a tap, right? So let's keep working our way. So another level here, right? Just add another one. One line there. Let's see. Get a little lower. A little lower. You can put it to either the body or the wicks. Doesn't really matter. It's just the area, the zone we're trying to mark off, right? So look again. Come down. I see this level here. Look left, look left, look left. Come across, look right. We got taps. Tap here where the market is now tapping. Where it's now forming today a bullish candle. It's reacting. You look left right here. The market was red, then it got bullish right there in this area. It's not perfect, but it's really that area right here. Tap, tap, tap. If you look left, days prior before today. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Right about here. Yes, perfect. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Got another level here. I see something here. And it's not going to be perfect. Sometimes it's going to be choppy because remember the market also consolidates. So it's not going to be perfect. Here, this area, tap, tap, bounce down below. And this is on a daily chart, guys. So you can add this with a simple strategy, like let's say an engulfing pattern, right? Where as we zoom in here, you see we got red, right? Red in this area, tapping multiple times, red candle, right? And then the market, boom, with this candle now, with this candle, engulf that one, right? And you can enter maybe 10 pips above, right? And you would ride this market all the way up, put a stop loss behind here. That's something you can do. I'm not telling you to do that, but this is one of the simplest strategies that can be done in the markets. And it's powerful because it's on a daily time frame, right? On a daily time frame. Like, look at this reaction at the very top here, right? Look at this reaction. Spinning top, right? Followed by this red engulfing candle. Although it has the wiki at the top, it still engulfs this candle. So I would say that's valid off of a resistance area. So just to confirm, look to the left, right? When you look to the left and you see the market, see in this area rejected. In this area, it took off. It went up, right? Just keep looking left. See, another double bottom here. So this is an key level, key zone, if you want to call it that, right? Then, like say, for instance, the same resistance we found up here, you can now zoom down into a lower time frame and look for a pattern, right? Like a retest, break and retest, right? When it see these wicks that was made here, retested, when it rejected it, then you could get in on a lower time frame. So we always want to start top down. High time frame, go down to your lower time frame, keep going down, going down, going down. So the smaller time frames you could use for sniper entry, sniper execution, right? But if you want to be more safe and have a higher probability, you would stick to the higher time frames, right? You measure where your stop loss is. Say it's 100 pip stop loss, right? You would measure that and then divide by how much you want to risk. So if it's $5 or $10 you want to risk, you divide that by your stop loss, and then you know your lot size, right? So for my beginners, this is support and resistance. Simple, a foundational idea on the charts that all traders use in the markets, right? Support and resistance, key levels, very important, guys, very important for my beginners. Support and resistance on the high time frames. It's very powerful. Doesn't work all the time, but right? And you could use this, you can use this with other strategies, but this is a foundational, I'm stressing it, foundational part of your education on the charts is support and resistance. Support and resistance going to be the foundation in almost every strategy, right? So that's it in a nutshell. Not to carry on long. Remember, if you want free charts, go to TradingView. Um, Probably there's some other platforms out there as well that give free charts. You can even just use your MT4 to do your markups, and study, guys. The information is right here. The best place to get information, right, besides someone teaching you, right, is the charts itself. Like, just look at what's going on the charts. And the best place to do so is on the high time frames. You can go up from to the weekly, monthly, right? You can mark those levels, text it, put it on your chat. On your chart. Sorry, right? And mark it off. Use different colors. So the monthly, the weekly will have a different horizontal color line. Daily, so you know when you're approaching these levels to be, looking out for a reaction. But this is basically support and resistance in a nutshell, guys. Guys, please subscribe. I took a lot of courses. A lot of them been marketed to you guys. You've probably seen them, and I took them. Trust me. I took them. I'm well educated in these markets. I've been doing this for a while. I'm now starting to build this channel. Brand new, guys. Shark Squad. We coming to take over. You're not going to need a course. Trust me. If you subscribe to this channel, you're not going to need a course, right? And like I said, open up these charts. Open up these charts. Study the charts. This is the best book you can have, is the charts. It's a lot more to learn, and I'm going to be here to share my knowledge with you guys on this channel, guys. Shark Squad. Stay tuned for more. Stay tuned. Videos will be coming. 2022 Shark Squad. We taking over Shark Squad. Thank you, guys. Peace.